Hi children, welcome back. So we are moving on to video number 5. In this video we are going to discuss the topics prime and composite numbers, and we are going to learn about prime factorization. So before that we should know what are prime and composite numbers. Okay. So what are prime numbers? Numbers more than 1. That is, you won't take one, more than 1. Numbers more than 1 that have only 2 factors. That have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Numbers more than 1 that have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Which are those numbers? You take the number 2. Which are the factors of 2? 1 into 2 is 2. That's all, right? So what are the factors? 1 and 2. You take 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. What are the factors? 1 and 3. You take 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Factors are 1 and 5. So those type of numbers are called prime numbers that has only 2 factors. Now composite numbers are numbers more than 1 that have more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. Those numbers are called composite numbers. You take the example 4. What are the factors of 4? We know 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is also 4. So what are the factors of 4? You have 1, 2 and 4. There are 3 factors. So the numbers which are having more than 2 factors. Those are having only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Those are having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now in this they are telling more than 1. So what about 1, children? What about 1? The number 1 is neither prime nor composite. The number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Okay. Then 2 is the only even prime number. What is prime number? The numbers which have only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. So in that set of prime numbers, 2 is the only one which is an even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number. Okay? 2 is the only even prime number. Rest of the prime numbers are odd. Here I have given you the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You have to at least know these prime numbers. 1 to 100 prime numbers you have to know. In this you can see which are the prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. These are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. In that you can see except 2, rest of the prime numbers are odd. Except 2, the rest of the prime numbers are odd. So that is why they are saying 2 is the only even prime number. Rest of the prime numbers are odd. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which has only 2 factors. If you want, I can give you one more example. You take the number 23. Is 23 coming in any table? Can you just see, children? We know 1 into 23 is 23. Other than that, is 23 coming in any other table? No. So we can see 23 has only having 2 factors. So such type of numbers are called prime numbers, and numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite, and 2 is the only even prime number. Okay. Now we are moving on to the next topic, that is prime factorization. What is prime factorization? All composite numbers. What is composite number? The numbers which have more than 2 factors, right? All composite numbers can be broken up. You can split it. Broken up means you can split it into their factors. You can split composite numbers into factors. Suppose you take the number 12. You can split it, right, into its factors. You can write 12 as 3 into 4. Yes, you can split it. What about again 12? You can write it as 6 into 2. You can split the number into, you can split a composite number into its factors. That is what they are saying. The numbers can be broken up into their factors. And when these factors are all prime numbers, after you split up, when you get all the factors as prime numbers, then we say it is the prime factorization of that number. After you split it, after you break down that composite number into its factors, and finally when that factors become all prime numbers, then we can say it is a prime factorization of that particular number. We will do some questions based on that. Find the prime factorization of 36. I will show you how to do it. See children, 36 I can split it into different ways. I can either write it as 4 into 9. 4 into 9 is 36, right? I can also write 36 as 6 into 6. That is also 36. I can also write 36 as 2 into 18. Right? That is 36. I can write 36 as 3 into 12. However I want, I can break it up. Okay, that's according to my wish. Okay, so I am showing you 2 of them. You can do the others which you want. So I have split it 36 into 4 into 9. This 4 again I can split it. What do I get? I get 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Right? This 9 again I split, I get 3 into 3. I get 3 into 3. Yes. So finally what have I got after breaking it up? I have got prime numbers. After breaking up, I have got prime numbers. So what can I say? The prime factorization of 36, I can write it down like this. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you multiply and see whether you are getting 36. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. So 4 into 9 is 36. Yes? Now just we try that one. You split 36 into 6 into 6. 6 I can split it as 2 into 3. Correct? Again this 6 I can split it as 2 into 3. Now you see what is the prime factorization? I will write the 2's first. 2 into 2. Then I will write 3 into 3. Is it the same thing that I have got here? Yes. So however you split it, whatever factors you take, if you take 2 into 18 or if you take 3 into 12, finally you will get the same set of numbers. And that will be all prime numbers. We know 2 and 3 are prime numbers, right? So finally you will get the same set. However you do it, only thing the orders will be different. You can make it in the same order. Here you can see 2, then 3 came, then 2 came, then 3 came. What did I do? I arranged it. First I wrote 2, then I wrote 3. I get the same thing. Okay, so this is meant by prime factorization. So after you draw this factor tree, children, you have to write down below like this. 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Any one you can draw. Okay, I won't ask you to draw all the types. Any one you can draw. If you ask you to find out the prime factorization by drawing the factor tree, you will do it like this. And after drawing, don't forget to write down like this. Don't leave the answer like this. When you are writing, you have to write the final answer like this. Understood? So this is meant by prime factorization. What has happened? I got all my factors as prime numbers. This is called prime factorization. Okay? I'll show you another one. This was an even number. I'll show you with an odd number, 51. 51. So here I cannot, it won't be coming in 2's table, right? Because it is an odd number. Will it come in 3's table? How do you check a number is divisible by 3? You have to add the digits, right? Okay, so you add and see 5 plus 1. What do you get? You get 6. Is 6 coming in 3's table? Yes. So I can say 51 is divisible by 3, right? So I'll just find out what will I get when I divide 51 by 3. What is my quotient? 1 3s are 3. When I minus, I get 2. Bring down 1. 7 3s are 21. When I minus, I get 0. So what did I get? I get 17. So I can write 51. I can split it as 3 into 17. Now can I split it further, children? 3 I cannot split it further because it's already a prime number. Even if I split it, what will I get? I'll get 1 into 3. I don't need to write that. What about 17? 17 is also a prime number. Remember? We studied before. Which were the prime numbers? See, 17 is a prime number. Okay? So that also we no need to split. Once you reach a final step where you get prime numbers, then you cannot split over there. So you will not put a circle around the numbers. Okay, children? You will leave it as it is. So we can write 51 is equal to, prime factorization of 51 is equal to 3 into 17. This is compulsory, very important. If you don't write that, it does not become the answer. When I ask you to find the prime factorization, draw the factor tree. Factor tree is just a support for you to get the factors. Okay, it is just a support for you to get the factors. Once you get the prime factors, you have to write it down like this. That is compulsory. Okay, I'll show you one more question. 72. 72 is a composite number. I can split 72 in many ways. I can write 8 into 9 is 72. I can write 2 into 36 is 72. Yes, I can write 3 into 4 into 18 is 72. Sorry, not 4 into 18, sorry. 72, just try with 3. Yes, 3 into 24. 3 into 24 is 72. Yes, now you try for 4. What do I get? 4 into 18, yeah, that is correct. 4 into 18 is 72. Okay, so there are different ways to split 72. Okay, I have different ways to split 72. The way which you all must be familiar is 8 into 9. You know what is 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72, right? Now both 8 and 9 are composite numbers, so I can put a circle around it. How will I split 8? I can write it as 2 into 4. Correct? Now here 4 is composite, so I will put a circle around it. 9 I can write it as 3 into 3. Yes? Now I can split 4 once again. I can split 4 because 4 is a composite number. So what I'll do, I'll bring down this 2. 4, I'll split it, I get 2. Okay? And I'll bring down this 3 and this 3 also. So finally I got the prime factors. So I can write 72 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. See? Into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, okay, 3 into 3 is 9, so 8 into 9 I got 72. I'll show you another one. 72. I'll write it as 3 into 24. Okay, here 3 is already a prime number, 24 is a composite number, so I can split 24. How can I write 24? I can write 3 into 8 is 24, or I can write 4 into 6 is 24. So I'll take 3 into 8, I'll bring down this 3. Now I have 8 here. 8 is a composite number, so I'll put a circle, bring down this 3, 8 I can split it as 2 into 4. Again 4 is a composite number, so you bring down this, bring down this, bring down 2, 4 can be split as 2 into 2. So what am I getting again? Again I am getting 3, 2. See, 3 2's are there, 1, 2, 3. Here also the same thing, and here also 2 3's are there. I can write 72 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Always write in ascending order, that is more better. Smallest numbers first you put it together, then the next number. So 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. That's the same thing that I got here. So however you do, you get the same set of prime factors. You will be getting the same set of prime factors. Okay children, so understood how to find out the prime factorization? The very important thing is, after you draw the factor tree, you have to write this down like this. That is important. So I'll give you a few homework questions. Question number D, 60, 32E. Question number F, 63, and G, 54. 60, 32, 63 and 54. Do these 4 questions, find out the prime factorization by factor tree, and below that you have to write down the factors by putting the multiplication sign. Okay? Understood? Thank you.